Electricity powers our home, providing us with light, warmth, and the ability to use countless devices that make our lives easier. But it can also be incredibly dangerous if not handled properly. Today, let's talk about a common hazard that can have devastating effects: electrical short circuits and the sparks they cause. Short circuits are responsible for many household fires, damage to appliances, and they pose serious risks to our safety. Understanding how to prevent and respond to short circuits is crucial for maintaining a safe home environment. Consider subscribing in Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Imagine an electrical circuit with a power source, circuit breaker, and a load. The electricity flows smoothly in a complete circuit, just like water flowing through a pipe. Now, a short circuit happens when something creates an unwanted shortcut in that loop. Basically, a new path with no resistance. Instead of flowing through the load, the electricity takes this new shortcut, skipping everything in its way. The electrons act like you when you drive your car and you had to walk into a difficult, narrow, and unpaved road to reach your destination. And then suddenly you found an easy, wide, and paved road straight to your destination. Which road would you choose? The straight one, right? The electricity does the same. It always chooses the easiest route with no resistance. When the electricity skips the load, like a light bulb or a motor, it ends up flowing through the wires with very low resistance. And because there is no load to slow it down, according to Ohm's law, the current gets really high. This can cause the wires to heat up quickly, so much that they can melt, catch fire, or even explode. That's why we use protective devices like circuit breakers and fuses. They act as protectors, automatically shutting off the circuit if the current gets too high. This helps to prevent fires or damage to your equipment. As you know, circuit breakers protect us from overload and short circuit. A short circuit can occur due to fried wires with insulation damaged, overloaded outlets, improper connections, or even two wires accidentally touching each other. All of these create that unwanted low resistance path, letting the current run wild. We have different types of electrical short circuits: line to neutral short circuit, line to line short circuit, line to ground short circuit, and three-phase short circuit. When the path of least resistance is found, according to Ohm's law, an intense amount of current flows through it, generating heat and often sparks. These sparks may seem small, but they carry enough energy to ignite nearby materials. In fact, electrical sparks are one of the leading causes of household fires. A single spark is enough to set a curtain, furniture, or any flammable material on fire. Even dust particles in the air can ignite, leading to a fire spreads rapidly. Within minutes, an entire room can be on fire. So how do we prevent this? Regular maintenance and inspections are a key. Watch out for warning signs like flickering light, burning smells, or exposed wiring. If you notice these, apply maintenance immediately. Also remember, never overload power strips, avoid using damaged cords, and always have electrical work done by a professional. Safety first, it's the best way to prevent the dangers of electrical sparks. A short circuit might sound simple, but it can cause a lot of damage if not handled properly. That's why it's so important to keep your electrical system well maintained and always use protective devices. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing in Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Thanks for watching.